Now we move on to the third stage in the mobile application story, the collaboration stage. The business problem we want to solve with collaboration is the poor response time to notifications raised by maintenance engineers in the course of their work. While the maintenance engineer was working on the mill train, he noticed that the new flow meters on the fire pump had not been installed. These were meant to have been put in place last week by a contractor, but they seem to have missed this particular mill train. He decides to raise a notification on his iPad. He's not sure how serious this is, so he puts the priority in as medium, as you will see. He indicates the piece of equipment. There you go. Not too sure about this one. Puts the priority in as medium. Fills in some data. And then posts the notification to the SAP backend. The notification is sent to SAP and is automatically put in a workflow for approval by the supervising engineer. The old process required the supervising engineer to log on to the SAP backend from his workstation and check his SAP Business Workflow inbox for notifications to approve. Here we see that a notification has arrived in the inbox and is ready for approval. However, the supervising engineer is at lunch. He's been a bit worried about elevated temperatures on the mill train and is discussing this with another supervisor. They have decided to test the fire pumps on the mill train in case the temperatures start to peak. During the conversation, he checks his iPhone and sees if anything has come through for him in the Sybase Unwired Platform HTML5 workflow container. He logs in. When the notification is created, it will immediately be synchronized via the Sybase Unwired platform to his iPhone. He sees that he has one message. He clicks on the message and sees that it is a notification. He sees that the equipment is part of the mill train and that the flow meters have not been installed on the fire pump. He immediately realizes that he will not be able to test the fire pump until the meter has been installed. He is able to approve or decline the notification. He immediately approves the notification and calls the scheduler to ensure that the job is appropriately prioritized. Now we return to the SAP system to see that the Sybase Unwired Platform workflow container is fully integrated with the SAP workflow. The item will disappear from the SAP inbox because it has already been processed on the supervisor's iPhone. The notification can now be viewed and processed as normal. We have seen how collaboration between mobile applications, even on different devices, can lead to even more process efficiency within the enterprise. When you think about it, the fact that an engineer can raise a notification on the go is a great thing, but it's not that much of a productivity gain if the supervisor has to wait until the end of his lunch break to approve it. The collaboration stage of mobile application use significantly accelerates the productivity gains already achieved in the enablement and innovation phases. Thank you for watching this cyber mobility demo. We'll see you again next time.